So it's November 5th and we're back at soybeans. We're back on that farm. Last two videos, one with all the snow and the one where we were trying to finish up. It's turned into it's just a beautiful November week, and hopefully we get done. Well, we'll get done today, short of some breakdown. So today it's going to be, they're saying, close to, low to mid 60s. Again, on November 5th in Minnesota. This is a gift. We have 23 acres up here to get through today. Shouldn't be too much trouble. Like I said, short of a breakdown. And working on one of the little fields here in the back right now. Wrap this one up and then move back towards the front. I'm just so very grateful for this weather that we're having. This week started out in the highs of about 40s. Today, we're going to be in the low to mid 60s. I'm standing here today, short sleeve shirt in this beautiful sunshine. Last time I was up here, I had my winter coat on and I had the heat on in the tractor, and it just, what a difference! What a difference! So, and we'll get this wrapped up. We moved home and we took out some corn during our weather break, and then but then when the weather allowed, we quickly switched back to beans here, and we took out our custom ground that we farmed. We took that out yesterday, and today we moved up here and are taking out this rented ground. So again, we're going to wrap this up today. So we got it making tracks here. We got in the combine now. One thing we mentioned, that we put an air bar on this here a couple of years ago, an AWS air bar. You can see right over there is the blower. AWS air bars, they're just all belt driven. There's no gearboxes to go out. All you got is some bearings and belts, in which we replaced the bearings. We had one go out, so we put all new belts on when we did it. You can see stuff flying around. It's one thing we discovered right away, that a lot of shit built up in the feeder house. But we bought this, you can see this tarp thing here that we have on the feeder house. Bought that from Shoe here a couple years ago, and it eliminated that problem. So it works pretty good for us. So here's one of our nemesis that we deal with all the time. Rocks. That's actually a pretty good size one. Yeah, we pushed it a ways too with the combine before we got stopped. Saw it, we thought maybe float over it, but that's a pretty good size one. I wouldn't have went into the machine, but it went. That went into the head and jammed up the head, broke some tines or something, so that's our joys. Well, this is the end of it. This is the end of soybeans 2020. Let's see right where he's going through. It's pretty soft. We're making full use of that four-wheel drive that we put on the combine a couple years ago. But what you got? After this, 2 little passes in that wedge, and we'll be done with soybeans for this year. Then we can move on to finishing up the corn, and then, as all guys know, it switches from harvest season to maintenance season. Right here, this is pretty peaty ground. That's why it's so soft. And it was much nicer when we were up here a couple weeks ago, but after that snow just, it melts and it just soaks right in. You know, it doesn't run off or nothing. And this week is the first warm weather we've had since the snow. So anyway, we'll be done here in a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all later.